Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, you will learn that how we can use the bumps and displacement in Blender. So how we can use? So first I enter into the rendered view, and here I use the cyclic render, and because the displacement is only visible in cyclic render, and you cannot see the displacement in EV render. So here I add the material, and here in material we go to the setting, and here in setting you see the option surface, and in surface the displacement by default this is bump only, and here you can choose the different option: bump only, displacement and bump. And here I choose displacement and bump because I will show the both displacement and bumps. So here I add some node to create some pattern. So for that, by pressing Shift A, here I add a noise texture, and I place it here. And by pressing Control T, which is the feature of Net Angular add-on, so it will add the mapping and texture coordinate. So I use the object coordinate, and now I add another node which is Voronized texture to create some pattern. So here I add the Voronized texture, and I connect with the vector, and here I connect with the base color, and here you can see that some pattern is created by the noise texture and Voronoi textures. And here you can also scale up and down something like this, and also scale up and down to create the beautiful pattern. And I want to add a color to this pattern, so for that here I add the color ramp, and here I add the color ramp, and here I add some material like a green material, and select this, and here I add some blue material, and here I add another color, and this time I chose the some red type material, and here you can see that a nice pattern is created with the help of nice texture and noise texture and color ramp. Now how we can use the bump and displacement? So we can use the output of the Voronezh texture and enter into the normal of the principal PSTF. So here you can see that this is the shading issue because this is the black and white data and this is the normal data. So we can convert the this data, black and white data, the normal data. For this I use another node which is the bump node, and here I place the bump node between the Voronezh texture and normal of the principal BSTS, and here I connect this with the height, and here you can see that the beautiful bumps are added to our object, and here we can control the strength of these bumps, and here I zoom it close, and here you can see that the depth and height can be inverted by pressing this invert option, and here you can see that this is upward, and if I deselect this will be inward. Nice. And how we can use the displacement? So for that I take the output of the Voronezh texture and put into the displacement, and here you can see that there is another shading issue because this is the black and white data and this is the displacement data. So we can convert this data. So for those I use the displacement node and I place it here, and also now this time I choose the height, and here you can see that the material, the object is displayed with the help of material, and here we can decrease the value something like this. I hope point 200 is the best, and here you can see that the material is displaced with the help of displacement. So in this way, by using the bump node and displacement node, you can add the bumps, fake depths, and real depth with the help of displacement in the objects. Thanks for watching.